क्या करा लल्लू बल्लू लगा कैसे लगा लगा लगा
I want this one. Yellow one.
ये चीटिंग है अपना अपना ज्यादा
बैठ जाओ, ये मस्तियाँ तो चलेंगी ना, बैठ जाओ आप बैठ जाओ।
ऊपर नहीं
अरे कुछ नहीं होगा, सुंदर दिखेगा। पहले लगाती थी ना, कुछ नहीं
ये
होता
देखो ये ठीक दे रहा है।
था। उसको कुछ नहीं होने, पिंपल सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
4 जगह लगा
खुश हो रहा है, उल्टा तेल चढ़ रहा है उसको। अभी सोनम तेरी शादी होगी तो फिर कौन लगाएगा?
Ashish, what should I say about him? He was a very quiet, calm and aloof person, but speaking one to one, he is always a very pleasant person. When I see his bookshelves, he is a very ardent reader. Sometimes I envy him that when he can read so much, why can't I read so much?
So Ashish as a baby was the sweetest baby ever, nice, fair, chubby, just how we like the children, curly hair, and the spitting image of his father and grandfather. He was like my very first child, the first child I held in my arms and played with him. I used to work in those days, and when he would come to my office to pick me up, he'd jump out of the window and he'd say, Mosi, Mosi, the whole office would know that my nephew has come to pick me up. And that was not it. Then there was a shop across from my office, and every time he came to my office to pick me up, it was mandatory that I go and buy him a toy from there. So it was like I spoiled him silly every time, and it was like almost 3 times or 4 times a week that he would visit me.
क्या अभी माना नहीं बाबुल बोले बस एक दिन कल का
ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत प्यारा सा परफॉर्मेंस। और मैं चाहूंगी कि जो तालियां कम बज रही हैं थोड़ी ज्यादा बजें।
Welcome to
Welcome to the family.
And what do you say? Hey.
Welcome to the family.
Over there, look at-
We love you, Mama, Mommy.
We love you.
Yeah,
We're
welcome
so
to the
happy
family.
you're here. And what do we want to say? We want to say we hope that you have as much joy and happiness as our family does.
Yeah.
Right? Marriage. I can fix that. What do you think makes a good, strong marriage? Do you know? What do you think does?
इधर से इधर है आज मैं बनवा
केशवाय नमः माधवाय नमः नारायणाय नमः अष्टौ प्रक्षालोहसी केशाय नमः ओम केशवाय नमः माधवाय नमः नारायणाय नमः अष्टौ प्रक्षालोहसी केशाय नमः इष्टनेमिः स्वस्तिनो बृहस्पति दधातो प्रगदस्वामरुतः पुष्णिमातरः सुभञ्जामानो विदधे कुजग्मयः अग्निजिह्वा मनवः सूर्यचक्षुषो विश्वेनो देवा अवशागमन्निहो भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवा भद्रं अम्बे अम्बिके अम्बालिके वर्गं समर्पयामि मुखे आत्मनीयं जलं समर्पयामि ओम गंगा सिंधु सरस्वती जमुना गोदावरी नर्मदा कावेरी सरजो महेंद्रतनया कर्मवती वेदिका चित्रा वेद महासुर नदी ख्याता कया गांधी पूरा पूर्ण विभूषिताय गौरी सुताय गणनाथ नमो नमस्ते या श्री स्वयं सुकृतिना भवने स्वलक्ष्मी गोवाज हस्तधन्धान समृद्धरस्तु गरुड़ध्वज मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्षाय मंगलाय तनो पारस्वे नक्षत्रादि रूपमस्मिनौ व्यातं मातिखन्निधानं मुम्बई खाणो सर्वलोकं मयि खाणो पूरा खाइए ओम नारायणं नमस्ते सूरं चैव
दादी को देखो जैसे आपके जो बड़े हो ना उन्हीं के हाथ में देखे प्रणाम कर लीजिए बस
No crying. Oh, he is the envelope.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Ash?
One more.
Thank you, Masa.
बेंड इट अराउंड वायर को डबल अप कर और गोल गोल घुमाने ऐसे वायर
Just पहले निकाल के करो.
जब फोल्ड द वायर इनटू टू like that. Now twist it around. Now turn it around. Roll it.
Okay.
ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा यूं घूम गया
क्या चीज दूंगे?
ये ना
ये मुझे दो पंडित जी आप.
पंडित जी आप का थाल लाओ.
Have you cried there?
संगीता का नेक को दे. रितु.
आशा का नहीं
हाँ ये हुआ ना.
आशा का है.
ये करा.
He's happy. He's waiting.
Well, this is a great day for me because Ashish is my first grandchild, first grandson. And I really adore him. He's the most wonderful boy. I'm very proud of him and I'm really delighted with getting a granddaughter like Shiva.
You are a person who I have always felt a certain special connection to in this family. You have always made me feel very welcome. And you're someone whose thinking and values I feel a special connection and identify with. And I'm very happy to see that you're getting married, and congratulations.
Ashish and Shivika, congratulations. Seems that if you can pass through all these ceremonies and trials, the rest of your life together should be rather simple. What I understand is people with their names starting with Shivi are pretty good people, and so I have a Shivi of my own, and now Ashish found his, so it works out well.
Ashish bhai, you're now married, and you better start looking up. You better start folding your clothes and keeping it back in the almara.
Namaste ya Shri Swayam Supratina Bhavane Salakshmi Bhavatmanam. कहिए ओम पाद्यम प्रति गृह्यताम। आप कहिए ओम पाद्यम प्रति ग्रहणामि। देखो बाबू जिनके हाथ में पुरुषाय शास्त्रते सहस्र कोटि
खींच के लेके चला जाएगा।
सांगतो
ओम गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बो फलचारुभक्षणं उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम्। ओम अम्बे अम्बिके अम्बिके नमः। मया निवेदिता भक्ताग्रहाण परमेश्वराः। ओम कांदात करो उसी कंधे में रसोद्भूतो गंधाढ्यो गंध उत्तमः आज्ञेया। चार बार जल से कराओ एक ले। ओम पाद्यो पाद्यम समर्पयामि, हस्तो अर्घ्यम समर्पयामि, मुखे आत्मनीयम जलम समर्पयामि। विश्वे देवा समापोह दयादिनौ सम्मतां दृष्ट्वा संधाता। ओम अहिर्विभोगै पर्यति बाहुं जाया हेतिं परिबाधमानः। आप भी लगाएंगे ऐसे। ओम अहिर्विभोगै पर्यति बाहुं जाया हेतिं परिबाधमानः।
क्या कर रहा है? चुप चुप चल। मैं नहीं चल रहा ऐसे पागल है क्या? तू बंद मत कर। मैं नहीं चल रहा ऐसे। किसमें डालूंगा इसको? बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल है यार ये।
चारों भाई सुहावनी, चारों भाई साथ पुनः सजा कर जान को वो भी पहुँचे आए। पुर में पहुँची जब सुनी शुभ बारात भूपाल खातिर की द्वादश्याम शुक्रवासरायां जितायां एतस्मिन् मह समस्त निर्सयानि कुमारी शिवचारुवसरे शुभै तुभ्यं विप्रमया दत्त। ओम सब अब आप दोनों हाथ मिलाइए अपनी जगह में खड़े हो जाएं। ओम यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि जातानि सर्वाणि प्रणश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणां पदे पदे सर्वनानि जातानि देव में छोड़िए जन्मदिन वाला क्या है ओम ग्रहणाम देव गत्वा हस्तम ओम यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि जातानि
कितना चलो कितना परसेंटेज 10%. साइड की साइड इंस्टॉलमेंट फुल हैंड पेमेंट
जूते की शक्ल तो देखिए कैसे जीजू ने लिया है जूते
तो ओके सो इफ यू गेट 11 lakhs so we get 10 and there
10% of the amount yeah done deal
और कोई है जो डिसाइड करने वाला है उसको बुला लो
या
फिर बाद में ये नहीं हमें ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि बच्चों ने डिसाइड किया क्योंकि बड़े को बुलाना बुला लो हमें बाद में
बड़े क्यों हम आपको क्या बड़े ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा या मैन ऑफ आवर वर्ड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू यू बिकॉज आई कंसीडर माय सेल्फ एज
एन 10% 12% पे फाइनलाइज हो जाना चाहिए बहुत कम कर रहे हैं 25% स्टार्ट कर 3%
पहला बटन है किसी भी आप तीर्थ यात्रा में या घूमने या सैर करने या जो है देवताओं के मंदिर में जाएंगे तो मुझको जो है साथ ले करके जाएंगे कहिए रखूंगा एक मिटा दीजिए और अपनी मर्जी से आप बिल्कुल ब्राह्मणों को निमंत्रण दे के नहीं आना कि सामान घर में हो 1.25 किलो 11 किलो खाने वाले ब्राह्मणों को बुला लो और अन टाइम में कहो तो 1.25 किलो में तो सत्यनारायण की प्रसाद बटेगा तो मुझसे आप सलाह ले करके जो है काम करना ये सब काम पूछ करके करूंगा दूसरी मिटा दीजिए तीसरा बटन है किसी भी गाड़ी के लिए ऑर्डर नहीं देना कि इसकी सर्विस करा लाओ इसमें पेट्रोल भरा लाओ हमको आप ओके गाड़ी देना सर्विस की हुई पेट्रोल से फुल ओके की मनो स्टार्ट करे तुरंत हो जाए कहिए करूंगा और तीसरा मिटा दीजिए हाँ जो आप पैसा कमाएंगे वो बताएंगे और जो आप खर्च करेंगे वो भी बताएंगे इसमें बदमाशी 1% की भी नहीं करेंगे मिटाइए चौथा कहिए हाँ ऐसा ही करूंगा दिल खुश कर गए खुशी खुशी प्रसन्न भाव से अब 5वां बटन है कि देवालया राम पूजे था दूर देश भी जाना पड़ता है चेन्नई मद्रास हैदराबाद और विदेश भी जाना पड़ता है तो हर 1 घंटा में दूर संचार द्वारा सूचित करते रहना ये नहीं कि वहाँ होटलों में आप मौज उड़ाओ हम चिंता में घर में सूखते रहे तो ऐसा काम न करना कहिए बिल्कुल देता रहूंगा और मिटा दीजिए खुशी खुशी
रखूंगा
अब देशांतरेवा सपुरांतरेवा देखिए कन्या कहती है 7वां बटन आज से एक पत्नी व्रत धारण करना जो अपनी बराबर वाली है उनको बहन के समान जो थोड़ी एज में ऊपर है उनको माँ के समान और जो आपकी एज से छोटी है उनको लड़की के समान देखना ये नहीं कहीं आंख लड़ा लो सारी जेब खाली करके वहीं चले आओ ठन ठन गोपाल घर में तो अशांति हो एक पत्नी व्रत पालन करना जिससे हम दोनों का गृहस्थ जीवन सुख शांति धन धान पुत्र पौत्रमय हो कहिए धर्म पर चलूंगा और मिटाइए सारी ओ पुत्री थोड़े साइड में करो
छंद पकाए डाली, अगला छंद हम तब बोले जब गाना गाए मामी। छंद पकाए काशी, अगला छंद हम तब बोले जब घूमने ले जाए चाची। ऐसे नहीं होने वाला, बहुत हो गया, बहुत
वाला पूरा कर दिए सास
तो
को।
बस उससे क्या होता
और
है?
अब लास्ट वाला साली डांस कर देगी, हो गया?
नहीं, साली का डांस हो चुका है, मामी खिलाना है, गाना गाना है, चाची ने घूमने ले जाना है, इतना सारा काम बाकी है।
कैसे कर देंगे?
वो
जूता लाके पहना दो, ये सेवा है।
आपकी गलती है, जूते हमारे पास है तो हमारी चलेगी।
बस पैसे दे दो, जूते ले लो। मैं तो
1,11,000 पैसे इनको दे दो।
पैसे नहीं चाहिए, रुपए चाहिए, वो भी रुपीस डॉलर्स की बात। अच्छा फाइनल
लिफाफा में कितना भर के लाए हो? वो जो 11,000। अरे यार मुझे
ये मेरे
तो मिला है।
नहीं, इसमें नहीं है, वो नहीं, लिफाफे में नहीं दोगे। अरे भाई आप लोगों को तो लेना नहीं है, हम लोग को लेना है।
आप लोग तो अपने जमाने में ले ली होगी, ये लोग तो लेने।
सच्ची कंजूस।
जो मांगा तो वही दे रहे, मुंह मांगा
नहीं, हम लोग तैयार हो गए सिक्के पे, लेकिन
गोल्ड कॉइन चलेगा। हाँ चलेगा, गोल्ड कॉइन दौड़ेगा।
वैसे बोले 50% एडवांस दिखाओ।
चलो पैसे यहाँ है, देखो।
नहीं, ऐसे नोट बनते नहीं है इंडिया में, ऐसे नोट बनते नहीं है। खुल्ला चिल्ला नहीं चाहिए।
पेनल्टी हो रही बेटा, फटाफट करो,
करो यार, भूख लग रही है। ले जाओ वहाँ पे बाबू का।
दो बार।
दिया
Yeah, he didn't pay. He didn't pay. They didn't get the show.
No, I did.
वो मम्मी नारियल भी निकालते हैं
The Starbucks का
अभी वो कर It's such a happy experience for me to have Shivika in the house, to have a daughter in the house with me, my backup. Up till now, I was struggling all alone, fighting all the men in the house. Now, I have one with me. I think the thing that hit all of us in the first go was that the highest comfort factor we had with that child, immediately. It has never happened with anybody that quick. She was ours from that moment. I'm really, really so happy for him. He's a special child and he's a friend, he's a brother, he's lots of things to me. And I wish Shivika and him all the very best for the future.
हाई मेकअप कर दूँ ठीक है चलो हाई मेकअप कर दूँ
बाल बना
हाँ ठीक
बाल में वो चुन्नी उन्नी जो पड़ी
तो छोटा सा I need a कंघी this is fine
Sonal, especially your eyebrows here. Yeah, that
चौकी पे रखते हैं।
You can't lock it. I'll tell you the amount of that. Oh, you're not putting the
I mean she's already wearing such a yeah that looks nice I would there to be my सारा मेरे को ऐसे वाई
ये बाल अच्छे लगे ना ये शाम के लिए भी रहने देना
हाँ चलो
उसका नीचे अभी
नहीं फोटो दिखा रहे हैं
तो बाल कितने वो इना पे चल I have no idea who bought
that is a nose ring but it won't work because the nose is not
बेटे तू थाली देख जरा मैंने आज से आई वो किधर रोटी में
How does one manage this?
आशीष
मैं ₹1
आशीष
Yes.
सही वाली आई है कि नहीं I will see if she is the right person huh Preeti Hi
so that is khatta meetha you get to use only one hand you get to use both hands
They have to play games now. So mommy has to try and get this off of him.
okay that was 1 minute and 20 seconds Ashish you get to use only one hand
हाथ तो
course he can. Of course he can.
10 seconds are over. 10,000. 15,000.
What do you say? We can bring scissors, right?
1 lakh, 5,000. 1,10,000 Ashish.
अच्छा तू अभी उसको
Whoever gets to do it faster. And the next one is going to have to say.
1, 2, 3, go. It's a ring. He's not being hard enough. He's just letting her win. He's already head-pecked boys and girls. Okay, fine.
Hi, Shalika.
Okay, so I've been the elder sister to 4 brothers.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Ashish Bhai and Shivika Bhabhi, first of all, the heartiest of congratulations, and I hope you have a long and lovely life together ahead. Well, I guess kids aren't going to come soon, but then you have to think about it. So, nonetheless, when they come along, that will be a great thing to happen.
Hi Ashish Bhai, congratulations. Looking forward to hanging out with you and your new wife, and looking forward to lots of nieces and nephews.
Get one just like this one and that one. They're really nice.
And come visit us in the States, right? We want them to come visit us. Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll even, Sana, would you give up your bedroom for them?
No.
No.
Okay.
They can go in the guest bedroom. Okay. We have a guest bedroom for you.
Yeah. But you're welcome anytime.
Yeah.
Yeah, as many times as you want to come,
Yep.
right?
Right?
Even if you bring 5 or 10 kids.
Ashish has accompanied me through all my craziness. I remember one time when I visited Delhi, Ashish and me sat in the lawn of D975 and we played 2 instruments throughout the afternoon, hoping to gather a crowd of people to watch us. But little did we know that we're so terrible that no one wanted to stop. Eventually we gave up and went up and slept.
The same is still true.
Shivika, I just, as far as I can say in the very little time that I actually had with Ashish, I would say he's an incredibly caring person. We're very, very lucky. And I wish both of you a wonderful life ahead, full of joy and health and anything that you wish to build together.
So first, Ashish, Shivika, congratulations, and Shivika, welcome to the family.
Congratulations!
Can come in.
I can't believe you're actually married. I also remember the time when we did a small home play in our house in Bombay over the bunk bed, which Raghav will also justify too. We actually took a bedsheet as the curtain and we enacted a play with Ashish, Raghav, Mazia, me and Gitika Bajaj, our neighbor. So we've done a lot of crazy things. I can't begin to enumerate them. But the point is that we've all outgrown that with very happy memories. And today we're really excited that Ashish is married to Shivika, who's also a wonderful person. The best part about all of it is she just laughs at all our craziness. She doesn't say much. She doesn't object.
She doesn't laugh with you, she laughs at you.
She doesn't object to anything that we say. She just laughs and takes it all in her stride. So we're very happy for both Ashish and Shivika. And we hope to spend many more great times together and have many wonderful memories together.
Ashish, I'm going to keep it very short and brief. Just drink, be happy. It's not the end of the line. There's no way you're going to be able to recover from this huge setback. Just get drunk every night, enjoy it. That's all.
Ashish is going to be an alcoholic if you listen to your brother-in-law.
Oh, and by the way, just I forgot to say, Ashish, you really need to thank Kshitij that he's been with you through all of this. And I also want to say that you should hold his hand. He's a little upset that now that you're leaving his side, but just reinforce the fact that you will be there. And,
may they have all the energy to handle anything that comes. God's will always be with them. Everyone is so special that I thank all of them. They're all so special, and each one has taken over a different aspect of what I needed to get done. I think I have enjoyed this wedding more than anybody else has, and been the freest because everyone has done the work. I've enjoyed.
And interview you about Ashish and Shivika. So I'm going to give you a rapid fire round. You will obviously tell me the first thing that comes to your mind. Okay, so let's start. Ashish or Angad?
Ashish.
Good, whatever. I'm sure this will be Angad or Angad's wedding.
Hold on. You ask the questions, he gives the answers.
Boring or fun?
Boring.
Talented or not?
Talented.
Fun or super fun?
Fun.
Loving or charming?
Loving.
What's the first name?
Ashika or Shivika?
Ashika? What do you think Ashish and Shivika's baby is going to be named?
Ashika.
Depends, guy then it's Shivish.
Okay, Ashish and Shivika, do not consult Raghav for your baby names. Obviously.
Forget all this. So what is?
Soditya is not born yet, so it's fine.
There will never be a Soditya.
Okay, so what do you think will now happen now that this is a little different? Ashish now being married and your younger brother dating someone. You obviously are now on the limelight. So what are your future plans?
This is for the next episode. Tune in next week.
You do love him, don't you? You do love him, don't you? Yeah, so that's why I'm love at first sight.
Pretty much.
For both of you, mutually. Good.
That's the whole thing about meeting Shivika. Been very comfortable with her from day one.
She's such a sweetheart.
Oh, really?
Absolutely. He's a great guy.
Good. Glad you're saying that, and we're getting that on tape for future reference.
He is. So I don't know whether he would be a great guy.
Oh, there comes the caveat.
100 किताबें 100 दफा दिलदारा दिलदारा ये रट्टी घर का जग सारा दिलदारा दिलदारा ये नजर कदम के सब वालों
It was love at first sight for you?
It was